So today I'm going to show you how you can make money building WordPress websites. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so there's a lot of different ways to make money with WordPress. Personally, what I like to do is build WordPress websites, blogs specifically, and I make money by creating content on those blogs, ranking them on Google, and making money from Facebook by sharing my content on Facebook. Now, I've talked about this before. In fact, I have a video which you can go and watch in the description below that talks about how you can build automated WordPress news sites which can make you a lot of money on Facebook using Facebook Instant Articles and other sources of revenue. So that's one way of making money with WordPress, but there's actually two specific ways that you can make money building WordPress websites. But before we get into that, I want to remind you that you can download my free affiliate marketing guide in the description below. It's going to show you how you can build a full-time income with blogging, affiliate marketing, the different ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing, and how I personally build a full-time income online using affiliate marketing. So if you want to grab that free guide, 100% free, over 40 pages of content, you can go and click the description below. All right, so I want to talk about the first way of making money building WordPress website. And that's mainly because I have more experience using this method than the other one that I want to share with you. But this one is building websites or WordPress websites for small businesses in your local city. So I created two videos on this topic. One of those videos you can go and click in the description below, explains the entire concept on how you can make money using this method. But in a nutshell, it's basically you reaching out to small business owners, offering to build websites for them for their small business. And you can charge anywhere between $500 to $600 to $1,000 for a single 4-page WordPress website. Now, in the beginning, I didn't have any technical knowledge on how to do this, so I would hire some freelancers very cheaply to complete the project for me, and I would just keep the profit, which was $500, sometimes $400, depending on how much it would cost me to hire someone else to set up the website. So if you're watching this video and you have very limited technical skills in regards to WordPress, you don't need to be an expert when it comes to building websites on WordPress to be able to make money. You can find people who know exactly how to change things in WordPress, who know the type of plugins that you might need, who know how to optimize your website for speed. But what you really need to learn is how to identify the right niches, and mainly how to get clients for your websites if you're looking to use the first method, which is selling WordPress websites to small business owners. Because if you can get 1 or 2 or 3 clients per month selling WordPress websites for $500, $1,000, you simply need a few sales per month in order to make a full-time income. Now, if you want more details about this specific method, like I said, there's going to be a video in the description below where you can go and check out the whole thing. I even explained how to get the clients and the type of emails that I use to get the clients. All the information is going to be found in that video, but you can typically make $500, $600 per website, and it could take you 2 to 3 days to set up an entire WordPress website. Now, the second method of making money building WordPress websites is by building niche websites and then selling them on website marketplaces. So for example, there's this website called Empire Flippers where you can go and actually sell your WordPress website. So let's say that you build a really nice looking WordPress website on a specific niche. It has a really unique theme. It has a logo, even has a Facebook page, and it's even ranking on Google for some keywords. You can go and actually sell that website. Even if it costs you $200 to set up the whole thing, you can go on Empire Flippers and you can probably sell that website for $800, $1,000, or even more money. The reason why is because there's always people looking to buy small niche websites and then building those websites to huge niche websites that are making money every single month. So they don't want to go through the whole technical aspects of building the website, but they do want to make money from a website or have their own website. So they decide to just go to marketplaces like Empire Flippers to buy WordPress websites. Now, another popular marketplace to sell your websites is flippa.com, which is a website where not only can you sell WordPress websites, you can pretty much sell any type of online business that you have, like an Amazon store, e-commerce stores, Shopify stores, whatever it is that you're selling when it comes to websites that are making money, you can sell it on Flippa. Now, if you have a brand new website, a WordPress website built on a specific niche that has a pretty unique looking design, and it's actually getting some traffic, you can also sell it on Flippa, and you can get people to bid on your website, and you can sell it and make a nice 60%, 50% profit, depending on just how big your website is and how much traffic is getting. But most people, what they do is they spend $200 to set up the whole website, get a unique design, get a logo, get all the information that they need for the website, and then they will sell it on Flippa for $1,000 and $1,500 and make a nice profit. Now, this is something that you want to learn how to do. You want to actually build the websites yourself. You don't have to actually pay any course on that. There's a lot of free tutorials on YouTube that can teach you how you can build a WordPress website from scratch and learn all the plugins and everything that you need. And typically it can take you 1 or 2 days to learn how to do this. Once you learn how to do it, you can do it yourself, or like I said, you can hire a freelancer to do this for you. Now, if you want to learn some of my top recommended tools for building websites, specifically WordPress websites, I'm going to put a link below in the description. I have a few things that you can use that can help you build professional looking WordPress websites. With that said, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you did like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.